I'm about to install the intake manifold, so I went ahead and brushed some more comp cam installation lube on the cam. And I've put these exhaust manifolds on, trying to test fit them to make up the spark plug wires. And then, but Joe said that he uses headers and mufflers on the test stand, and that's better because then it won't be so loud, you can hear better. I'm going to go ahead and make up the plug wires, and then when I get to Joe's, I'll have to make some more to work on his headers. You know, they're not going to be in the right place, but that's okay. I just wanted to make sure everything was going to fit right, and I parked the engine on top dead center, number 1 firing, and I've got the slot in the gear like they want you to, and that puts number 1 down around 5 o'clock when you make up your wire set. But you're going to have to tell me how to figure out the inside of that distributor, because I sure haven't figured it out. I don't know how I'm supposed to. I don't know. I'll show it to you. You can tell me what you think. I can get over this pointing in the wrong direction. That doesn't matter to me. I just need to know when this thing fires. I can't see anything down there. I mean, it's not like the old Mopar way where you got the little pickup right there and that little wheel right there, and you just line that up, and when you do that, that spark plug is going to be firing. This is fairly simple, right? But I can't see anything in here. I don't know how this is going to work. You're probably just going to tell me, well, you're just a dumb old man that's going to fire whenever this lines up with this. I have no idea when it's going to fire. I guess we'll just hope the ear way's the right way and it starts right up, and then we'll set the timing. I don't know, but don't cry when number 1's not here, because the slot is this way in the distributor drive, and this is the only way that the distributor go in and clear everything. It's going to have a little problem clearing that almost. I didn't put any heater hoses on here because we were going to run it on Joe's test stand, and I didn't know if he was going to run heater hoses, so I just plugged them and with new plugs so he can screw those out and put in the regular hose fittings if you want. But I don't know, I just found this a little bit annoying. I like the all-in-one idea where we just don't have to worry about a ballast resistor and just wire it up to 12 volts. I like all of that, but the rest of this is getting on me a little bit. But I'll wire it up that way. Well, I guess everything is pretty much done. I still have a couple things to do. Tighten down the valve covers. I've got a couple of wires to run up here. But I think everything, I've just been doing knickknacks. Replaced the temperature sending unit. I think you're supposed to be able to ohm those out to see if they're any good, but you know it was old, so went ahead and replaced that. And got the plug wires on. Still going to take off the exhaust manifolds and try to paint those. This paint's old. It's probably not going to work, but we're going to try it anyway. Clean them up, paint them. I don't know if that regular high temperature paint I've got would be any good or not. But a couple little knickknacks, and then I'm supposed to be at Joe's next week to, we're going to use his new test stand instead of me borrowing his old one, and that'll make it a little easier because he's there to help, and if you need anything, you know, he's liable to have wedge parts, and so everything's looking okay to me. I've got a couple of little things to do when we get back before we fix it up. A fabricated return spring and a couple of little things like that. But we'll be packing it up soon and getting ready to leave for Joe's.